This one YouTube title got me 500,000 views and 10,000 subscribers on my small YouTube channel. But it wasn't luck. It was a carefully thought out and formulated YouTube title that took hours to plan. Because there is a formula to writing viral YouTube titles that blow up your channel. You see, the top YouTubers all follow a set of 5 rules that allows them to go viral on every single YouTube video, but normally this information is kept behind private WhatsApp groups or $10,000 mastermind. I've been in these rooms and I've heard these conversations. But I'm on a mission to take 1,000 YouTube channels to over 100,000 subscribers completely for free, and I want you to be one of them. So I'm about to break down these 5 rules, how they work, and how I use them to go from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in only 3 months on a brand new YouTube channel. You see, YouTubers like Mr. Beast, Iman Gachi, and Alex Hormozi all use the first rule to go viral every time. And you can literally see the difference between here and here when we implemented this for one of our clients. It's called title balancing. And once you understand it, it will allow you to catch viewers' attention on the homepage, which leads to them clicking, watching, and becoming a loyal subscriber. Here's how it works. Let's take a look at the title, I built an SMMA from scratch to prove it's not luck. This is a perfect example of title balancing in action. You see, when writing out your YouTube title, you need to think of your capital letters like weights on a scale. Let's look at a few other variations of this title. If we weigh all of these on a scale with capitals, this is what they look like. The first has capitals on the left, but not the right, making it unbalanced. But the second has left and middle, making it a little bit less unbalanced, but still not perfect. The third has equal weights on both extremes, making it perfectly balanced. And so should yours, because they look so much more appealing to your viewers' eyes. You can see this in action on videos like this, and this. But this is just the first step of mastering capital letters in YouTube titles. Because if you capitalize the wrong words in your titles, it can lead to your viewers' confusion, which means that they won't click, and your video will not get the views that it really deserves. Even if the video is good, the thumbnail is engaging, and you give a ton of value, if your title doesn't do this next thing properly, your video will be one of the millions of videos that are lost forever, not being promoted by the YouTube algorithm. But if you understand it, it's a super easy fix that will actually hook your viewers in and get your video the views it really deserves. It all comes down to emphasizing the right points in your title. You have to think about, what words do my viewers actually care about? You see, they're clicking on your video because they want to achieve a dream outcome. So it's on you to emphasize that dream outcome with the use of capital letters. It looks like this. The one capital in this title is the word rich. This is the exact dream outcome of Iman's audience because they want to make money online. You can also emphasize the opposite of a dream outcome. The opposite of rich is poor. And the last kind of emphasis you need to know in order to grow your channel is supportive emphasis. This is emphasizing a word before or after your dream outcome that affects the scale, speed, or effort. For example, my most popular video is how to get 1,000 subscribers fast. And I capitalized the word fast to emphasize the speed at which my viewers will get to 1,000 subscribers. And this all comes back to a famous principle called the value equation by Alex Hormozi. And it's one of the main reasons why I was able to grow my channel to 30,000 subscribers fast. But the best part is that you can also use it to blow up your channel. No matter what type of videos you make, it looks like this. So this is the value equation. Now what we have here is the dream outcome, perceived likelihood of achievement, effort and sacrifice, and time delay. These are all of the factors that determine whether or not a viewer will click on your video. And in order to have them actually click, you need to do these things right. And before I understood this concept, I was struggling to get views on my videos. It literally took me an entire year to get to 1,000 subscribers. And then after I learned this concept, I instantly went from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in only 3 months, which is obviously a big change, right? That is 100 times faster. So this is extremely important, and I haven't really seen anyone else talk about this on the internet. So first things first, dream outcome. That is the first component of the value equation. That essentially means the person that you are targeting, the person that you want to become your viewer, what is the thing that they want? So for example, you watching this right now, you probably want to grow in subscribers, get more views, maybe start making money from YouTube. Or if you're running a YouTube channel about online side hustles, then your viewers probably want to make money online, or they want to replace their 9-to-5 income. You need to think about who is your viewer and what do they want. Now, with the dream outcome, in your packaging, which means your title and your thumbnail, we're gonna specifically be focusing on titles for this video, but it also works in your thumbnails as well. You essentially need to understand the dream outcome, define what it is, and then put that in your title. So what would that look like? For me, that would look like how to get 1,000 subscribers, right? So for example, on this video, it's about how to write good titles. So the dream outcome is probably how to write good titles, right? That's probably what you're watching this for, and that's what you're trying to do, but the overarching goal is to get 1,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, or just grow on YouTube. So what I would put in my title is how to write a killer YouTube title to blow up on YouTube, or to get 1,000 subscribers. Or I could do how to master the art of making viral YouTube titles, because I am essentially saying viral YouTube titles in that title. And that is the dream outcome section of that. So your goal is to raise this dream outcome as much as possible, make it as crazy as possible. So you could say how to make $1 million if you're trying to teach people how to make money online. But the most important thing is that you simply just have this dream outcome in your title. So just make sure that you have a dream outcome in your title, which is how likely is it for the viewer to achieve the dream outcome. So you could say how to get 1,000 subscribers guaranteed, how to get 1,000 subscribers 100% guaranteed, that's even more. Your goal is to raise this as much as possible. Some more examples of perceived likelihood of achievement: how anyone could get 1,000 subscribers, or how anyone could make money online. Or you could also do a title like people dumber than you are making millions, or people dumber than you are blowing up on YouTube. So people are like, okay, if people dumber than me are doing it, then I can probably do it as well. Next one is the effort and sacrifice. Now, obviously you don't want to raise this because someone does not want to go through a lot of effort and sacrifice. So you want to put this down. You want to lower that as much as possible. So what we could say is how to achieve this dream outcome without effort and sacrifice. So how to get 1,000 subscribers without working hard. How to get 1,000 subscribers working 1 hour per day. That is a video that would get a lot of views, right? How to become a millionaire working 1 hour per day. How to become a millionaire by making passive income, lowering the effort and sacrifice, right? So that's something that you're going to actively think about lowering. And the next thing is the time delay. How fast does it take to achieve this dream outcome? So everything goes back to this dream outcome, by the way. This goes back here, this goes back here, and this one goes here as well. So time delay, how fast can they achieve the dream outcome? Goal is to lower that as well. So we want to lower this as much as possible. When you lower that, this is what it looks like. It would be how to get 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. How to get 1,000 subscribers fast. Boom, see what I did there? That's a clear dream outcome and time delay switch. If you do that for money making, you can become how to become a millionaire fast, how to become a millionaire in 30 days, how to become a millionaire in 1 year, right? That's all time delay. But if you made a video, how to become a millionaire in 100 years, people are probably not going to click on that video because the time delay is way too high, meaning that the value of the video is lower. You can usually fit around 2 of these things in a title. I wouldn't really try to go for more than that. Sometimes you can get away with 3. I have almost never seen all 4 in one title because it's just too long. It would be like how to get 1,000 subscribers guaranteed without working in 7 days. It doesn't really work, right? So you want to essentially just do 2. Make sure that the 2 flow together really well and the dream outcome is raised and these 2 are lowered, or this one is raised as well. So to write a very good title, you just want to focus on 2. Make sure you raise this dream outcome, raise the perceived likelihood of achievement, lower the effort and sacrifice, and lower the time delay. But the most important part of your titles is something that no one online talks about. It has to do with more advanced human psychology. And unfortunately, most small YouTubers ignore it because it's boring. But the ones who take the time and put in the effort to understand human psychology will be the ones who succeed, grow a big channel, and eventually turn YouTube into your full-time career. And if that's you, subscribe because we cover a lot of this stuff on the channel. Now, I want you to think about a time where you couldn't get a question out of your head. Maybe that was about a significant other, a family member, or a close friend. When you have an unanswered question, it eats away at you until you figure it out or forget it, which leads us to feeling unsatisfied. Humans get a big hit of dopamine when they have questions answered, which makes us feel good, so we naturally seek answers in life. You can leverage this fact on YouTube with your titles to force viewers to click, because if they don't, they will feel unsatisfied. Now, let's go back to this video. When viewers read this title, they start to think to themselves, well, how do I actually get 1,000 subscribers fast? I've been struggling to hit it for a while. Does this video hold the answer that I'm missing? A simple title like this raises their curiosity through the roof, which is why so many people chose to click on it. And every big YouTuber that you see does this. MrBeast raises the question, who will win? So simple, yet so effective. Or this video by Leon Hendricks that raises the question, what do these pills actually do? What happened? This is the base psychological principle behind why titles go viral. But you have to make sure that the questions you're raising are important enough for you to get the click. Some of the most popular ways to do this are making titles like, I tried X for 100 days, here's what happened. This one X made me X. Do this to achieve X. I made a secret X to prove is not luck, and how this X achieved X. These are a few of hundreds of title frameworks that top YouTubers recycle over and over to pull big views on their channel. And you can use these same titles on your channel to blow up even if you're at 0 subscribers, because they create a ton of curiosity that gets you the click. But titles are just the first step in growing your YouTube channel. So that's exactly why I made a free YouTube course with over 12 hours of content going over everything that you need to know in order to go from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in 2024. We give away everything that you need to grow a massive YouTube channel for free. And we even have a whole module that goes even deeper on channel branding that gives you a step-by-step process to follow in order to create what we call a blue ocean on YouTube to grow fast. So watch this video here where I'll show you how to get access, what you'll learn, and how you can use the information inside to blow up your YouTube channel to 100,000 subscribers in 2024. Thanks and have a good one.